I know what you're thinking. How did I get Scooter Dad on Illustrator to look like this? Well, let me show you. So you're going to go ahead and you are going to drop and drag your image into Illustrator. Don't place your image because then it won't work. You can copy and paste an image off the internet too. That works great. All right, so now that I have my image an appropriate size, I'm gonna click on the button that says Edit in Photoshop. Sometimes this button decides to not show up, which is really frustrating. So now that I'm in Edit in Photoshop, it just opened in Photoshop, so cool. Now I'm gonna take my object selection tool and select this handsome guy I call my husband. And I'm gonna take my paint bucket tool and just paint that in. And so now I have this very beautiful silhouette of him. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to File, Save, and I'm gonna save it onto my desktop. We'll call this test number 6 because it's taken me a few tries to get this right. So test 6, I'm gonna say okay. Now I'm gonna go back into Illustrator and well, that's a bummer, it didn't work. No, wait, it did. I'm gonna go to links and then I'm gonna go like this. Relink, I had to click on the relink, find, oh, I thought I saved it. Oh, there it is, test 6. Place, oh yeah, you can't tell because it's like sideways and over here. But boom, that is how you take an image from Illustrator, edit it in Photoshop, bring it back to Illustrator.